Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cozy. We have a new pattern for you today. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Good. So am I. It's called Radio Waves. So this is a sample, the one we have up here for you today. If you notice, it's with strips, which we are famous for, and these are accent colors. All these are accents all the way up here. So would you like to see how to make it?
Yes, please.
Good answer. So it's going to start with background fabrics. This is my background. These will be my accents on this particular sample. You're going to sew these strips together. The most important thing is to remember to iron all your seams open, because that, yes, is something new. Yeah. So Daniela does not, oh, and I'm Maureen, in case you don't know. Daniela is out on a little trip. Then what you're going to end up is you're going to cut these in segments. They will look like this. And you'll also, if you notice in your pattern, that you're going to cut some other pieces that are going to go along the side here. And this little piece, so some of my strips I'll put together, I will have a background, an accent, a background, an accent, background. This one happens to be accent, background, accent, background. So you'll have those pieces all done together. Then we will go and make strips, strip sets. We'll have our 2.5 inch strips. We're going to use our strip tube ruler. We're going to be making 2 of these together, and then we'll be sewing these together on the other side. So you're going to make strip tube like this on one side, and on this side will be this little pieces that we just made. Okay? And well, notice that all the seams are open, pressed open. Then you're going to take your strip tube ruler, which I happen to have here, and you're going to line it up on my seams. So all my seams here, I'm going to line it up and cut that way. I will not be able to flip. Sometimes we'll be able to flip and cut on this side. You can't do it this way because you have to be able to seam it up here. So you're going to cut it like this and cut like that, all the way down. And this is going to be my stack 1. And this is all written in your instructions. So when I open this up, I happen to have one here. Ta-ta-da-da.
Brilliant.
Is that brilliant?
Oh, it's brilliant.
Very good, you guys. And here's how the next one looks.
Oh, wow.
Even more brilliant.
Even more brilliant. True. Yes. I'm sorry. You want me to do that again? Okay. If I stand over here, can you see this way? So I have my tube. Here's my 2.5 inch strips on this side. This is my background, my accent that I did up here. Then I'm going to take my strip tube ruler, line it up on this seam here. And when I cut it, by the magic of TV, it looks like this. Okay, so now you want to see how the block goes together. And another good answer. Okay, so you'll find all my pieces. So if you notice, here's where the block is. This is my block on my quilt. See my accents, see my backgrounds. And here is the completed block. Let's see if I can put these together properly for you. Maybe. Wait, people. I knew this was going to happen. I had it all laid out on my table and I messed up my table. Oh, here we go. There we go. Now we're not going to panic. To the top row like this. And go here. Ta-ta-da-da. No.
You got to turn the one
Top right. Top right needs to be flipped 180.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to turn it. Turn it down.
Got it. Thank you, guys. One more time. No.
No.
That's not right. Wait, you guys. We'll get it. They're going to do a lot of editing on this. There we go. All right, just a second. One more. There we go. And there we go. Ta-da! So that's stack 1. Then you do the same things. You're going to start on stack 1. You're starting with the background. Let me show you here. I took it down. Here we go. Stack 1 started with the background like this. And stack 2 starts with the background fabric, not your accent fabric. And you're going to do the same thing.
Yeah.
So you're taking 2, and you'll use accent fabric all the same as you go along. And you're going to take 2 from the stack 1 and 2 from stack 2, and then you're going to put them together. And that's how the block goes.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that genius?
Oh, it is. Yes.
Just absolute genius. Now you have options. Also, too, when you want to open all your seams, press all your seams open. It's different than we normally do. And you have options. You could do the accent all the same, all the way down in the quilt, or you can do different ones like what we did here. Would you like to see another sample?
Oh, yes, please.
Good. I don't have my helper. All righty. Sure. Thank you.
Here, Mo.
Thank you.
Get up here and talk.
Oh, I can talk? Thank you.
And we'll hide.
Okay, thank you. Is that gorgeous? So you see how the block is. Here's your block. You see all your accents. So this is the black, the teal, the gold, and how we did it all together there. Is that pretty? Thank you, girls.
Now, Willa.
One more picture.
One more time.
Thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you for coming and watching our videos. And hopefully, if you want the pattern, go to Cozy Quilt and you can buy the pattern from us. Thank you.
Well done.